Hi there, Dominika here, your singing coach from Singing Carrots. Today I want to show you our search tool that helps you find songs by your vocal range. You might ask, why would I need a tool like this? As singers and new students, one of the biggest challenges can be finding the right songs that fit your voice. You might find yourself scrolling endlessly through all your playlists, asking people around, unsure of what to pick or whether a song is actually in the right key for you. And this tool is perfect for that. It provides inspiration and ensures you're selecting songs that will fit your vocal abilities. Using it is very simple. Let's dive in. We're gonna head into our main menu and select Vocal Ranges Database, Find Songs by Range. All right, at the top of the website, you'll see a slider. That's where you're going to set the lowest and the highest note that you'd like the song to be in. This is already preset for me because it remembers my vocal range, but I want to find songs that fit a range of, let's say, A3 up to C5. And this is what you're getting. You're going to get the whole database of songs that fit within this range. I want to point out some of the most important features in our filter. To the left, you can pick any gender, female or male. If you want songs sang only by a woman, you're gonna go and click female. If it doesn't matter to you, you go for any gender. Next thing worth noting is difficulty level. You can pick any difficulty and you'll get the whole list. We get lots of questions about challenging. Challenging means that the song you're picking lies within the exact range of yours. There isn't much room for any extra notes or mistakes. It's not always ideal to pick songs that are exactly within your range, especially not if you're planning on singing that song right away. It's great for challenging yourself and exercising, but if you want to be able to sing the song right away, you might want to opt out from challenging mode, maybe moderate or definitely easy. Another cool feature is you can pick immediately what genre you want. If you're interested only in, let's say, country music, go ahead and click country and the list will include only country songs. All right, another thing worth mentioning is that you can go ahead and immediately click what voice type you want the song to fit in. If you know you're a tenor, go ahead, click tenor, and all the songs that pop up will fit your tenor range. You can also search by name. In the search button, you're just going to type in the name of the song or the artist. Once you've found a song you like, you can go ahead and click on it. It will lead you into a page of that song. Right under the title, you will see chords, tab, sheet music, lyrics, sing karaoke, and you can also save the song in My Repertoire. If you're looking to sing the song and you need a karaoke, go ahead and click this button. It will lead you to a Google search with plenty of different karaoke versions. Right here, you will see the artist, if it has one, the title, original key, vocal range, difficulty in the original key, and difficulty in the optimal key. Some of our songs will have also blog-related reads, so go ahead and explore that. And that's a quick overview of our search tool for finding songs by range. I hope you find this feature as helpful as many of our users do. Keep exploring and remember, it's all about the perfect song for you. Keep singing.